gonna nonsense the CD drive and the hard drive again. I'll start with the CD drive. Why not the CD drive? Right? You've got this little laser lamp in there, right? It just shoots a beam straight up, and the beam goes straight back down. The light's like reads the data from the disk. Right now, what about a fanned out light? Shoots out like this fan of light, and it bounces down into this reader down here, and it's like this laser light that's like this instead of like this. You can make the laser 4 or 8 times more powerful. I mean, honestly, it's more like 4 or 8 times wider, and then it shoots like a lamp straight up and down, or you can fan it out into something for all I care. You can figure that one out. You can even make two of these things moving around in there. Now for the hard drive, you know, instead of using these little readers in between the discs that move like this and shit, you can make like these little flat platforms. The disc is like spinning under here like this, and it just moves a little bit, collecting data from here, 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 and here. And you can have 8 of these like this, all around the disc, on each disc. And it can read from the top of the disc, from the bottom of the disc, top of this disc, bottom of this disc. You can align this nonsense however you want to, and it can be as fast as you want it to be, as long as you can think it out. Have fun with that.